Hello everyone. Welcome to another demo series of Bizintel360. Today we will demonstrate how Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics helps organization to identify bad product data quality from applications like Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, Product Lifecycle Management, ELM, Supply Chain Planning, SCM and e-commerce applications. This solution will help organization to quickly identify duplicate items, missing attributes and mismatched value of attributes between various enterprise applications. Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics helps you to monitor, measure and improve product, customer and supplier data on a continuous basis to achieve Six Sigma in data quality across enterprise applications. Here is one example on a product data quality problem out of multiple product data management problems. Let's take a look on this example. The retailer gets a demand signal for high-powered grinder and he informs quickly to the nearest distributor with the product name. The distributor in turn checks the availability of that product with SKU in ERP and finds that the demand quantity is huge in number and the inventory is low. On further searches in the ERP application he finds that this particular product is not even available in nearby retail warehouse or any nearby distributors. The distributor further informs manufacturer to generate supply for the product. The manufacturer in turn generates more finished product and supplies it to distributor. Later it gets discovered that product is available just because SKU number is different or there is a duplicate item number because of differentiation in various attributes of item. The distributor was unsuccessful to find the product in nearest distributor warehouse. Hence there was big loss to both the retailer and the manufacturer and in turn it ended up with overstock and huge maintenance of those stocks. Let's see some of the common product data management problems. Most common problem is customer complaints about incorrect manual and product service, delayed product launches due to missing and incorrect item information, poor demand forecasting, lost in visibility for product promotions by sales team, duplicate items causes overstock, maintenance and increased purchasing cost, and the most repetitive one is missing shipments. Bizintel360 helps you to give visibility and identify the root cause of such problems. Let's take a look on Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics solution. Bizintel360 collects data from various sources like ELM, ERP, e-commerce and product information management systems and ingest data in Bizintel360 Data Lake. With the power of advanced visualization, auto relationship and augmented search analytics, Bizintel360 gives the visibility of data quality, duplicate items, missing attribute values and mismatch own price, lead time, stock on hand, discount price between various systems. So who needs Bizintel360? Anyone in the organization who deals with product, customer and supplier data across organization. Those are mainly marketing, operations, product development, procurement, IT and sales team. Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics solution is in the box which gives overall visibility and root cause of the problem in a single dashboard. It helps you to identify and root cause garbage data, duplicate entities, variance of metric like stock on hand, discount price, retail price across systems and undefined attributes for various entities. Well, the problem is very common across industries but very prominent in industries like high-tech, retail, pharma, medical devices, CPG and industrial manufacturing. Bizdata have in-depth expertise in these industry verticals. Bizintel360 can collect data from all leading ELM, ERP, e-commerce and product information management system vendors. Bizintel360 is cloud-based software as a service offering from Bizdata. For detailed application demo please check Bizdata website or YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this demo series. You can visit us at Bizdata360.com and for more information visit the product page. You can write to us at this email or talk to our customer success representative.